Okay, so bakit nga ba Real Studio or isang all-in-one solutions ang kukuhanin pa natin? Diba? Baka mapamahal pa tayo. Well, the question is, mas gusto mo ba na mas maraming kausap? Mas maraming challenges? Bawat isang supplier may kanya-kanyang problem or challenge na ibibigay sa'yo? Or you want to avoid all of that? You want to talk to just one person? Diba? Malinaw na usapan, smooth transaction, we know what to expect, we can provide you the solutions, we can provide you the creative and the services that you need, and even provide that quality of service na napo-provide natin sa mga big events like sa hotels, sa conferences, and big gatherings. Well, if you want that kind of solution, you want to increase or level up your celebrations and your gatherings, we have the manpower and the experience for you. So let's talk about it. See you soon.